anyways. Whoa, it's a moth! Oh, anyways. Anyways. Okay. So, the reason we're sitting like this is because me and Macintosh have been being mean to each other. And now PC, the one holding the camera, has made us sit like this so we won't talk to each other. Isn't that right, listeners? Sir Macintosh a lot?
Yes, it is right, and she hid our ball from us.
Yeah, that's kind of dumb. I'm trying to get rid of this moth. Why won't you die? Oh, I farted.
Wow, this is that was a big
Yay! I like it.
Oh, that feels good.
Whoa.
Whoa, it's a bird. It's a plane.
Okay, peace out.